If you're an African or Asian teacher looking to teach abroad, but you're not using LinkedIn to your advantage, you are missing out on thousands of opportunities. Why is this video important? Well, it's because LinkedIn is more than just a job search platform. It's where recruiters and international schools actively look for teachers. I've spoken to many teachers and I've realized that a lot of us don't know how to optimize our LinkedIn profiles for teaching abroad. So in this video, I'm breaking down step by step how to set up your LinkedIn profile to stand out to recruiters and maximize your chances of securing an international teaching job. So stick around because I'll also share a powerful LinkedIn strategy that will get recruiters to reach out to you. So hit that like button and subscribe for more teaching abroad tips on the hashtag Nigerian Teacher Abroad on all social media platforms. Now, why is LinkedIn essential for teaching abroad? This is because 95% of recruiters use LinkedIn to find candidates, many from international schools. Also, schools and education recruiters are actively searching for teachers before they even post jobs. So if your profile is well optimized, recruiters will come to you instead of you applying blindly for hundreds of jobs. How then do we set up a professional LinkedIn profile? Well, let's start with the basics. A, your profile picture. Very important because first impressions matter. Your profile picture should be a clear headshot with good lighting, a professional but friendly expression, and please avoid group photos or casual selfies. That doesn't work at all. Also, we need to pay attention to the headline because your headline is prime real estate. This is what recruiters see first. Instead of just teacher of XYZ school, write qualified English teacher with IB, IGCSE and A-level specialist, open to international teaching roles, because this tells recruiters who you are and what you offer at a glance. Now, the about section is also important because this is your elevator pitch. Keep it concise, yet compelling. Example will be who you are. You're a passionate and qualified teacher with 5+ years of experience in IB and Cambridge curriculum. What you bring will be your proven track record in student successes, curriculum planning, and classroom innovation. Your goal should be that you're excited to bring your expertise to an international school setting and to contribute to a diverse learning environment. In the experience and education sector, list your teaching roles with bullet points showing where you worked, your school name and country, what you taught, that's your subject, your grade levels and the curriculum, and put your key achievements there. For example, improved student pass rate by 20% or implemented a digital learning strategy. Now, your certifications should be that you list your degrees and your teacher training certifications like your PGCE, TEFL or QTS. If you have international teaching experience or specialized training like the IB, Cambridge, Montessori, please list it there quickly. Also, you should add relevant skills, curriculum development, ESL training, classroom management, differentiated instructions, and please ask your colleagues or your head of schools to write something to prove your credibility. Now that your profile is optimized, let's get noticed by recruiters. You should say there that you are open to work. Turn on the open to work setting and select international teaching roles in your preferences. Then, very crucial, you need to follow and engage with international schools because when you follow top international schools and recruiters, they will see you. They will see that you're engaging with their posts, you're liking, you're commenting, you're sharing, and it'll make you appear on their radar. You need to join teaching abroad LinkedIn groups like Teaching Jobs Abroad, International School Teacher Network, and you should participate in discussions and share your insights because this builds credibility. Now, if you're still not getting messages from recruiters after doing all of these things, you then need to reach out to them directly. You need to find recruiters on LinkedIn and search for education recruiter or international school hiring manager. Filter it by location, e.g. Dubai, China, Europe. And to message them, you need to be careful. An example message would be, "Hi," you write the recruiter's name. "Hi, recruiter. I came across your profile and saw that you recruit for international schools. I'm a qualified English teacher with X years of experience teaching list your curriculum there. I'm currently looking for teaching opportunities abroad and would love to connect and learn more about your potential roles. I'm looking forward to hearing from you." Keep it short, professional, and straight to the point. Now for the bonus content. Right. I know this is what we've all been waiting for. If you want to get noticed without applying, post teaching related content on LinkedIn. This helps you share your expertise. Post teaching experiences, student successes, student stories, and classroom strategies. How to use teaching technology, for example, or how you helped with your ESL. Write comments on education posts as well. Commenting on school and recruiter posts boosts visibility and gets you noticed. Next, did you complete a CPD course? Share it there. Have you got a positive feedback from a school? Post it there. Even though you haven't got a letter from your line manager, that post will help you shine. And that's how you set up your LinkedIn profile to maximize your chances of landing a teaching job abroad. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and comment down below if you want more LinkedIn strategies from someone who has done it before. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more teaching abroad tips. See you in the next video. Oh, by the way, YouTube wants you to watch this video, and I think this video will be very, very nice for you. So I'll see you in those videos.